today. In this video we are going to check out the Bissell Pet Stain Eraser PowerBrush Plus model 2837. This is just a little handheld carpet cleaner, and if you've noticed in some of my vacuum videos, you've noticed some stains around my carpet, and we are going to get rid of all those stains, hopefully, with this pet stain eraser. Alright, let's go ahead and quickly unbox this, and then I will show you, Let's go ahead and unbox this. I'll show you some stuff about it, and then in the next video I'll actually clean up some stains that I have around my house and edit. Alright, let's check this guy out. Alright, right off top, oh, you get two things of solution. That's nice. Not too often do you get two things of the solution that they give you. Usually it's one or none. So it's very nice to see two. Here is the charging cable. Of course, we have the main unit, the manual, and some protection cardboard. That is all that's in the box. For what it is, that's a pretty cool looking machine. I like the looks of it. I like the colors. Looks like it should be plenty to get the job done. I think this thing's gonna be really good. All right. Do not tip unit on side because it will leak. Please read instructions on dirty water tank carefully. Will do. And then only use as directed. So you can clean it. Yeah, so basically it's just saying, don't do it, basically be smart with it. Don't clean it to where any way water could drip out like that. You clean it like this, obviously water is gonna be coming out, so. Very common sense, but you know there's a lot of dumb people in this world, and they will use this thing upside down and then complain because the water is spilling out. Here is the tank. This is going to be the dirty water tank. That's where you're going to dump it out and then just rinse it out real quick. So this thing should be very, very easy to clean, which is really nice. And then this is going to be the solution tank. Which just clicks right in. Fill it up basically to the dot with formula. Just clicks right in, and you're good to go. So I'm going to charge this guy up. I will test it out on various spots throughout my house. I probably have a good 4 to 5 spots that'll be really good for this guy to test. And I'm really hoping that it does a really good job. Looks like the charging port is right on top. Kind of a weird looking port plug, I guess, that pushes out of the way, and that's what's going to make it waterproof, just in case you get any splash or you're holding it wrong and water runs down. And as you can see, there's a battery icon here to let you know how much battery is left. The power button, your spray button, and then the button to tell the rollers to spin and agitate your carpet. Very simple. This thing's gonna be very easy to use, and the whole point of this is to see how well it actually does. So this is the first one of these I've ever had. I always get little stains here and there, and you don't ever really want to pull out your big carpet cleaner and clean the whole carpet. So this is gonna be very good for small stains. So pretty excited to try this out. I think it's gonna do very good. And that will be right after this part. If you're new, If you like this video at all, please like and subscribe. Helps me out a ton. Let me know if there's any specific test you want to see with this, and I'll do that for you. And I will be back when it's charged up and ready to go. Alright everybody, it is time to see how well this Bissell works. I have quite a few different carpet stains throughout my house. We're going to go ahead and tackle the majority of them right now. So I got this one here. Honestly, I'm not even sure what that is. Yeah, a small one. Kind of right there. Leading into here, we have another stain right here. I think that's some kind of sauce that fell. So that should be pretty easy to get up. This one might be a little bit more difficult, this red line. This was a popsicle that it melted and then fell out of the little plastic sleeve it was in. And that's been there for quite a while, so it's gonna be good to see if I can get that up. And over here, a couple more stains. And then there's one more in here. And then this one in here. This one's probably gonna be the hardest. This one was an accident I did when I was moving in here. I was replacing the toilets and I set it down in here not thinking that wax ring was at the bottom. And this is what I guess is left over. It kind of stained it. I haven't tried to get it up with any type of carpet cleaner. So it should be really good for this test to get it up. Luckily for me, all this carpet is going to be swapped out very soon. With any type of stain, the best thing you can do for stain is to soak it. So we're going to go through and go ahead and squirt all these stains down with some of the cleaner that came with it, which is this stuff right here. There came with 2 of these, which is nice, and 1 complete bottle fills this perfectly. Let's go ahead and turn it on. It's fully charged. And then we're gonna squirt it. Get it nice and soaked. Hopefully this guy does a really good job cleaning this up. Actually, one more right there. Might as well tackle that too, right? This line should be pretty hard to get up. Oh wow, that went a lot quicker than I thought. Holy cow. Okay, well, that's kind of surprising. I was not expecting that to use that entire little bottle that quick. Dump it on in. You can see 1 bottle fills it perfectly. Now I'm gonna go squirt those other stains and then we'll go ahead and get to the stain cleaning. All right, so I will say, just pre-soaking all those stains I showed you, already both little 8-ounce bottles are gone. So maybe I oversaturated them, I'm not really sure. But I think this is the best way to do it. That way when you get to them, they're nice and soaked and ready to go.